I've taken that off there, and I'll now lift those seeker lines. I'm keeping this connected because that gives me the length I need then to measure for the pipe. There's no fuel coming out because I haven't actually opened up the ball valve for it yet. You've got to hold it still with one light and the other.
Where's it going?
There it's going. Alright.
38mm drill.
Hey? Okay, so I've cut a piece of copper pipe, same length as that assembly, and we'll try it out. So the fitting over there, olive behind it, and I suppose I might as well put that one on as well for the other end, and the new olive. You can't reuse the olive off the old one because they get compressed onto it. That's how compression fittings work. I did consider doing a big loop of copper rather than a straight run, because then it gives you a bit of flexibility. But I thought it might catch on things here in the future, so I've not gone for that in the end. So screw that. The old one loose. Easier to turn the nut than the body. Let's just hand tight. In there, the olive in first. Do that loosely just to hold it. And this is the challenge, which is the thing I was a bit concerned about. Seems to be going. There's a little bit of flexibility. It doesn't feel good disturbing everything like that. Olive in first. And then the nut. Doesn't seem to be biting. Wrong angle. Such an awkward position to do it in as well. I don't want to cross thread it. You might just be getting stuck on the olive, that's all. Oh. There's my spanners. So, hold that one on there. better then. How do I manage that? Not right either. That's a 17, that's a 13, I just need a 15. I've reduced to adjustable spanners. The shame of it. I mean, I did find a 15. Well, that's not much use for this, a ring spanner. Anyway. So, maybe 2 shifters. Don't like using shifters. They move, they're not precise. It gets good results with a shifter. They shift themselves. Feel it getting stiffer as the olive compresses around the pipe. As I screw it into the body of the union. What other stuff here? Did this one fit? I can't remember. Yes, it did. Righty tighty. Oh, it just looks so much better, so much safer, and a little bit more pro. A bit less chip shop, hopefully. Terrified of over tightening it, stripping threads in there or doing something awful. So what I'll do is I'll leave it at that point. When I let the fuel through, if it starts to drip, I can nip it up then. Okay. That looks so much better. I was a bit concerned that might fail me the BSS when I had the rubber budget, you know. That end was fine, but yeah, just having it on a bit of pipe. I wasn't happy with that. I know it's effectively a tail, but it's not the same as having a tail. There's no ridge on the end or anything. So I was as well to change it. Plus, you can't see any markings on that rubber hose, so that might have got picked up as well. Pretty sure it's the right hose, but you get, if you're using a short section, you get sections without it marked then. The inspector doesn't know whether it's right or not. Right, next job. So I'm frantically now trying to get on with this job. I've had to go to 2 different chandlers today because I've been let down by parcel carrier companies. Say they couldn't deliver, like they couldn't be bothered. Got a message at 11:29, your parcel will be delivered today. 11:37, we can't deliver your parcel. So I've got a fuel hose to go from the fuel lift pump to the fuel filter, from the fuel filter to the injector nozzle. That's the first job I'm doing. To get BSS compliant, I've bought the correct hose. It's marked up. with the correct markings. Well, a bit of it you look at, but it is marked up, I assure you. There we go. ISO 7840. Just going to see if this 12mm one will fit. I suspect it'll be too tight. If it is, I'll go to the next one up, the 14. It's worth a try. Yeah, no, we'll look at it. Okay. I'll try the 14. See, put the bit of the plier in there if you can. Open it up a bit wider. And there, and then that in the cup. That will open it up for you. You slide it over past where the nozzle will be. I'll do the other end while I've got it in my hand and it's easier. Okay. And it comes from the lift pump to the fuel filter outside edge. Okay. Turn that so we can see the markings. That's going to be awkward. It's going to have to come right around like that. Just leave that there for now. Let's see how this is going to have to go around there. Okay. So the medium was only just enough. Because of the awkward angles. I'm going to have to curl this round like that. I don't see another way of doing it really. Literally the worst position. If I get into it later. heat on this, make it a bit more pliable. Yeah, it's going on now. There's more difference that makes. Don't want to pull it too tight a bit. I'm letting the hot one cool down before I start messing with it. By the way. You want to lay the clip past the ridge. But not too close to the end. Yep. Right. One more to reposition. The reason the original hose was bypassing the fuel filter was that the chap I bought the engine off. Experienced Kubota engineer, many years. But when I gave him my old engine to turn the beating ring bits off, I'd taken the fuel filter housing off, bracket off, because you can't get it out with it on. So Kubotas usually work on plant machinery, diggers, things like that, and they have external fuel filters generally. So it just goes straight from the lift pump to the injection pump, which is what it was in this. I was looking at it thinking something's not right. Can't get this clip to come up. Oh, such an awkward position. Yeah. I'll come back to you. Right, I've got it. That was awkward, but we got there in the end.